Floods all around the world, educational purposes only.
Flooding from Nepal yesterday. Floods in Arkansas today. New Mexico yesterday. Historic flooding in New Zealand last week. Flash floods in Oklahoma today. Texas just a few days ago. Bangladesh is getting hammered with floods as well. There was a sudden storm that flooded Split.
Strange Times entertainment purposes only found these videos on TikTok.
The guy that's reporting the video said that he went to a Walmart to grab him some water. He's in an aisle and he hears people screaming and running. So what did he do? He ran as well. And listen to this crazy shit. The first lady that got bit, they're saying that when she got to the hospital, she was there for a little while and then she got up and started attacking people, trying to bite them. Now, I don't know how true.
You are the motherfucker that's giving motherfuckers a leeway to do the bullshit they doing. Like, this motherfucker must be cursed or something, because everybody that come up here, everybody that's been on your shit either dead, S-bone.
I mean, probably an insanely small percentage.
It's small as man. All you do is promote gang bullshit in the community, bro.
I don't think we're promoting it. We're talking to rappers who may be gang related. These dudes ain't no
fucking rappers. Whoa, this
Cayenne was fire medicine. We used it to warm the blood, move the cold out, and wake the body up. A pinch in tea, a shake in food. It cleared chest, boosted the belly, and broke fevers faster than any store-bought cure.
Educational purposes only uprun Ella Varikstes.
Is almost drowning in the water. This is so sad. What is going on with the weather? This is not normal. This is not normal. Please like, comment, share, and let's have a conversation. Plainfield, New Jersey is flooding.